Good morning, good afternoon, guys, wherever you guys are. Hope you're doing well. This week we're going to do a bit of one of those, like, it's in between. So all of us have kind of been getting unwell just because of the season change and we're all just softies. So I'm a bit unwell, so probably my voice sounds a bit weird. Shannon's at home, he's sick. Cam's at home, sick. Great times. So we've actually managed to, apart from us waiting for products to finally come in and stuff like that, good news is we do have the BFFG sedan coilovers. We have the monopros coming in, so which were basically the same ones that we use in the AUs and stuff like that. So they're coming, so that'll be soon. So that should be in the next like 2-3 weeks, hopefully. Then we can put them in the car and test them. And thought I'd just do a bit of a report back. So so you're watching this on Wednesday. So on Saturday and Sunday, we're going to be in Coffs Harbour at Rayleigh, doing round 2 of the mini drift series. So if you're in Coffs Harbour and thinking about what should I do for the weekend, come on down, support it, support the track, support the locals there. So it's a sick track, like footage wise, when you're sitting there, the view's sick. So yeah, you'll enjoy yourself. It's just a mad track, mad atmosphere down there. So we're doing that. Car's still at the panel shop. Jace is taking forever to get it all done. All these fixings are rear-quarter, so he's doing it. He's a good friend of ours, so he's getting that done. So waiting for the car still. So I still haven't got it. By the time you're watching this, I would have hopefully got it, or this morning of this video. So anyway, couple of things we've been doing. We've been putting a 2J into a Corona. We've put a totally different engine into a Subaru, which is Nick's. So that's going to be coming up in the next month. We're going to be doing that. We're going to show you a little bit of stuff on the Corona. We're putting a non-turbo 2J into it. We've also been doing Tim, who owns the Bozoku Z10 Sora. We've been doing some stuff to that too, so we're going to do a little bit of footage on that. Yeah, personally I feel a bit weird filming customers' cars, which we haven't, but the guys have allowed me to film this stuff. So yeah, so if you're like, oh, why filming customers' cars? Well, they've given me permission, so they know where I live. But we've also been doing Tim's 300ZX. So it initially came in just for an engine. And no, it didn't even come in for an engine, it came in for something else. Get it running and exhaust. And the engine was stuffed. So we've had to replace that. Just finished doing an exhaust on it. Just from the cat back. He just wanted 1 3-inch and be done. So a couple of things. Once on the ground, I'll do a little thing, but yeah, it's actually sacked. I've had to modify the driveway into the workshop so we could get these low cars in because they scraped the ground. That, and also my uncle actually, who's not that much older than me, people think he's my brother, that he's got that Falcon out there. So please put a turbo on it. We're going to do the exhaust for that as well. So, and another job we have in, we've got a Beamer. I know, it's a European Commodore in the shop. This is AU house. Well, we're putting a turbo on it. I've sat it, but the turbo is actually going to sit about under here. Yeah, the previous person who did the turbo, it was turboed. Qualityness, it was just like, it didn't matter. It just had to be turboed, and that was it. And it was terrible. The rocker cover actually caught fire and melted a hole into it. So that's initially what it came for, and then turns out we had to change the whole manifold setup and all that. So that's also coming. Yeah, we've got a little bit of footage in this one. Quinny's going to just put together a little bit. It's a bit of a down kind of, the season at the moment, like this last couple of weeks has been a bit, well, everyone's been a little bit unwell. Season, a few other little weird stuff have happened, but next week we are coming back with even more footage. So hope you guys enjoy the footage we have for you. We're going to put a little bit of stuff that we haven't had. And I thought I'd use it as a bit of an update. So let you know about the coilovers, about the coming events. Yeah, if you're Thursday night, if you're there's a toge night at Archerfield Drift Park. So if you're in the area, we'll be going out to that. I'm keen for a lights off full show, so that's going to be sick. So a few other things will be coming as things come in. I do have a few things like design wise for people with wagon and ute falcons. A couple of things I want to do. Camber plates, if you're like, where Dave, the heck of the cam plates? Well, the bloke designing them is taking forever as well, so that's always exciting. How good. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. Enough of me rambling. I did take the Fairlane. Oh, another thing as well, most important thing. The Fairlane, it's actually performing really well, which is good. So we're actually going to we're going to put the catch can on, like the dual catch can setup on it. So we're going to do a little bit of that in this video. And also, I did take it to a Friday night drift, and it did really well. Track time was a bit atrocious just because of the recovery team. Let down again, but thank you, QR. And we're going to actually take the motor out of the Fairlane, and we're actually going to put it into the drift car. So in the final round of the Rayleigh Drift Series, it will be boosted, and I will be pushing. So it's been too long. I need power back in my life a little bit. Like, don't get me wrong, I love NA. I love the low power challenge, but it's time to bring some more trophies home. So it's time to people get noticed and people go, oh, this guy's serious. So I'm super keen for that. And the Fairlane's just too fast. I just, yeah, I don't want to lose my license for going fast. And it's very hard not to go fast because it goes so fast so quickly. So that's going back to NA, still manual, so it'll be good. But yeah, and obviously 85, it's expensive. I don't have millions of dollars to just fill up all the time. And that's kind of what's happening, and putting a hold on the other projects like the party bus, the Laurel, and then we have another build that we've got coming. So it's all those things. So enough of me rambling. We're going to do a little bit of that, a little bit of this. The Fairlane, one more lap. I normally don't like doing one more lap because I feel like something always happens on that last one more lap. If it doesn't, oh my god! Oh yeah, it moves. Someone's getting a tow. What should we do? I don't know which turn we should do. No, we'll do dipper. Bit less harshness on the clutch. We're only doing one lap. We have a T5 out of an EF Falcon, unknown amount of Ks. We have an extreme heavy duty clutch, which is not efficient enough for what we're doing. Oh guys, it's been an ordeal today, but I've actually got the car in, or out the front of work. Traz out the front, do a Traz mechanical. Traz mechanical service is normally at that drain. What do we have here? Look. Do you know him? Yeah, that's my friend. Bloody hell. Traz out here fitting his coilovers. And on my best idea ever. Hodus. Well, I've decided I've decided to do it out here, better light. Don't feel like being inside. So I've got the catch cans. I bought 2 of them. 2 catch cans, both different because they didn't have 2 of the same. This is my current setup. It is very horrible and very, very temporary, which overstayed its time. But underneath this disgust is the 2 Powerade bottles that have actually swollen. See that? That's E85. So we've got this one coming off here down there. There's a back one up there. Comes over here and follows that braided. So that's going to go into those 2 catch cans individually, and they're actually going to drain back. So when I had this sump off, I made a return for the turbo line, and I put 2 returns to go from catch cans to the sump. So it's what we've done on RB2530 setups. So that's what I decided to do to this, so that way it can flush through, and then we'll just change the oil a bit sooner. But yeah, that's where we are. So we're going to get into it. As I'm sick of leaking oil around, and I want to go test it. So basically the next video will be us, or video after will be us testing. So hope you guys enjoy. Final times in the Fairlane.
Well, we're on.
We'll just undo this. This is what happens when ethanol mixes with oil.
What alien contraption do you have there, mate?
Powerade model, mate. See how it goes all weird? Almost looks tasty, but I wouldn't want to eat it. It's yeah, not good. Not Powerade. Look how small it is. That was a 600ml bottle. I don't know if you can see that in the thing. That's just shrunk.
Deformed.
Alright, Sam. $50. Drink it.
I could do with a bit of coin.
Oh, desperate time, desperate.
Desperate measures.
It's a sugar drink, oil.
Maybe run faster because it's got E85.
It'll help your shit. Maybe hospital, maybe die. Yeah, I'm gonna need it. Alright, there's gonna be some gooey goo. Well, here's my last Powerade bottle. Was not as thrashed, but we'll grab a light. Oh, that's thick. Oof.
It's like Koopy mayo.
Dude, that's it. Australian Koopy.
Yeah, mate.
Oh, that's it. Ew. That's disgusting. And satisfying.
Oh, you bloody idiot.
Wow. Wow.
Where do you get this from?
Oh, wow.
In that corner there.
Yeah. On to the next bottle. So this bottle number 2. It's a bit not as the suspense. I mean, maybe it's not that exciting, but I'm pretty.
Oh.
See, there's the water. Yeah, that's the E85 water.
Fuel containing water, that's heresy, mate.
Oil.
You said water.
Well, it was water, yes. And oil.
Heresy.
Anyway. That's just going to be in all my oil. Now, everyone's worried that like when you plumb the catch can all back in to drain back, that it's going to be like that. Well, not quite, because it can't really do that to the oil like when it's constantly moving, but it can release the not the fumes, it's like steam, literally steam coming out. So on heavy throttle. Alright guys, as you can probably see, it's getting a bit dark. I've literally, this is where I'm at. The lines are on the floor, they're off the car, catch cans there-ish, and I just don't have time. Like, these fittings are just too small. This bottom drain, the weirdest size I've ever encountered. So stitch up today because it's only me and Nick and Trav, but we've just run out. I've just run out of time. It's just too many phone calls and stuff today. So we're gonna leave it at that. We're gonna give it to you when we give it to you. I don't know. I need to have it done because I'm going to test it essentially tomorrow when you watch this. But it's too much. But on the other hand, that's it for this. Hope you guys enjoyed our update. But the 300ZX looks sick.
Literally.
What are you guys talking about? Bloody.
Just fanboying. David, is that you?
Nah.
Not you.
Oh, the clock, mate.
Yeah, peace out, guys. I'll see you next week.
What do you put your name?